The Tokyo Station Marunouchi Building, long known as simply the Red Brick Building, was originally constructed as Central Station. It reached completion 98 years ago in 1914, when it reopened as Tokyo Station. It was designed by Kingo Tatsuno, a great architect of modern Japan who was engaged in more than 200 constructions throughout his lifetime. The building of Tokyo Station commenced in March 1908. 11,000 pine logs were used for the foundation work, and 3,100 tons of steel was used for the frame. Upon completion, the Marunouchi Station building was 335 meters long, 45 meters high, with a total floor area of 23,900 square meters, and had 2 domes at each end. The 3-story red brick building magnificently reflected the most modern European architecture of the time. As one of the most monumental examples of Western-style modern architecture in Japan, it created a great sensation among people of the time. Then on September 1st, 1923, tragedy struck in the form of the Great Kanto earthquake. Despite a magnitude of 7.9, the station withstood the Great Trembler, incurring almost no damage. This was thanks to its extremely solid structure. This fortune did not last long, however. The station suffered severe damage during the Great Tokyo Air Raids in 1945, when the 2 domes of the station burned down. Right after the war, temporary reconstruction work began. The station would need to be reborn as a 2-story building, doing away with the 3rd floor. Miraculously, it took only about 2 years for this recovery to be accomplished. This is the former Tokyo Station Marunouchi Building, as it was known from the end of the war until 2007. Yet the original domes, the symbols of the station from its erection, were long lost.